Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of slope and y-intercept. This is standard 8.4c in the great state of Texas, and we're using item number 32 of the 2023 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. Alright, so we've got Josh saving money here, and he put an initial amount. We don't know what that is, but he put an initial amount, and then each month he puts an additional amount of money, and it is a linear relationship. Okay, so what we're going to find here is that the amount of money is going to be constant because there is going to be that same amount each month. So what do we know here? We added 2 months, right? And then we added $60, okay? Now we added 4 months, and we added 405. That's going to be $120, okay? And then we added another 4 months, and then we added, looks like, another 120. So there's your consistency. So really what we want is initial amount or the amount of money that he adds into jar each month. Okay, so we're trying to find statements. So let me find the initial amount, and then let me find the amount of money that Josh adds per month. Okay, so to find the initial amount, I need to go backwards. Okay, so I'm going to take these two. They've already done a big chunk of work for me. You say these two right here, they've got a +4. That's a +120, right? I'm going to go back. I'm going to do a -4, right? So 5 minus 4 equals 1. So I'm going to do a -120, okay? That's going to be close, not exactly where I need to be, but that 225 minus 120 is going to be 105. So at month 1, right, I had 105. What I'm looking for is month 0. And in order to find month 0, I need to figure out what it is per month. I need to make one more jump, right? I need to go -1. How much are we putting in per month? Well, I could take any of these that I've got here, right? And really what I'm looking for is the slope, right? The slope is going to be, right, the change in y. Change in y that's represented by that delta. That looks like a triangle. That's Greek letter delta over the change in x. Okay, so I've got a few different options here. I can do this first one, right, which was the 60 over 2, right? It was $60 for 2 months. Or I can do the next two jumps, right? That was the 120 over the 4, right? Since this is a linear relationship, those are equivalent fractions. What I need to do is just simplify that down to a basic slope, and either one of those is going to equal 30. Okay, so it looks like Josh is putting in $30 per month. That's my slope. So for every 1 month, he's moving over, right? He's going over 1 month. From 0 to 1, he's going to go up, way up here to 30. If I were to graph this out, right? Kind of look like that. So I can go ahead and eliminate, take a look. C, the amount of money that Josh adds to the jar each month is 45. Eliminate D as well, the amount of money that Josh adds to the jar each month is 60. Now that's a tricky one because, look at this 60, this was the first jump. This was a jump of 60, but it was for 2 months. And I'm gonna predict here that a lot of students probably chose that as their incorrect answer if they got it wrong. So I need to take away another 30 to get to that final 0 month, right? And there we go. I'm going to get my 75. So that is actually, at my 0 month, right? That is actually going to be my y-intercept. So it's not starting at the origin. It's not proportional, right? It's going to start like up here and move like that. That's $75 at the 0 month. So it's not 225, it is going to be B. That is our answer.